Tips for better eyesight. The number one thing is to make sure that you have frequent breaks. If you're working with computers, this is the big issue. You're constantly focused on your computer and your eyes get stuck there and you're not moving anywhere. This is not a natural situation for the eyes. So take frequent breaks, like every 20 minutes you spend a few seconds looking out, changing your focus, look at something really small, far away. That is going a long way to maintaining your good eyesight. Make sure that you have enough energy, that your eyes should not be stressed, your eyes should not be tired. So if your eyes are stressed, you do the hot and cold towel treatment to get rid of the stress. It's very effective, and then you could do this several times a day if necessary, but get the stress out of your eyes. The second thing is that in order to improve your eyesight, you must have energy. Your eyes should never be tired, so do the energy exercise enough. And in some cases, you might need to do the energy exercise every hour for a week before you get enough energy up. This is very important. These are the two fundamental things that enable you to progress. If you don't have enough energy, if your eyes are stressed, nothing happens. It could just get worse. You get painful and so forth, so don't do that. Get this done first before you do anything else. Try to get out of fluorescent light. Fluorescent light is the worst light that you can be in. It flickers and the colors are wrong and so forth. Upgrade to proper lighting. So you need to look for the K. The K factor should be 4,000 for really bright white light, or 3,000, 3,500 for comfortable light at home maybe. The colors are very important because when you look at the paper, when you're reading something, you're relying on the reflected light. If the colors are not available in the light source, like fluorescent light is half the colors, then there's only half the information. So upgrade to proper lighting and you will be happy that you did it because everything is beautiful and colorful and very easy to read. Wear contact lenses and glasses only as necessary. The less you wear them, the better. If you are less than 2 diopters, don't wear them for work because you can see clearly to 50 centimeters. If you have a high degree of nearsight, like 4, 5, 6 diopters, then you need to have a pair of working glasses, which are 2.5 diopters less than what your prescription is, so that your computer is just clear, but not for driving. You're not driving when you're working, so therefore you don't have to have that strong prescription. And your eyes will be happy that you did that. There's less stress and therefore less damage. Wellness prescription means that you have 10% less always. This is 2 lines on the eye chart. And therefore there is room to improve. If you have 100% correction, that means you can see the second line, the 20/20 line with your glasses, then they are too strong and your eyes can do nothing. You need to have that extra room so when you do exercises, then you can improve. If you have 100% correction, then it stops there. You cannot. It simply stops. It gets painful, in fact, if you do it. So always make sure that you have that wellness prescription or wellness fitness glasses. Keep yourself in shape with reading small print on pens or water bottles or whatever. So this, when you go to the supermarket, for example, there's a great opportunity to look at all the small labels and all the small prints on the tomato sauce or whatever you buy. That keeps you in shape. Remember, your eyes are constantly changing and you need to keep yourself in, just like the rest of your body, you need to keep your eyes in shape. So by doing regular exercises when you shop or whatever, when you look at small print, this will be an exercise. Remember, there's no biological reason why your vision should deteriorate. You should be able to read the newspaper on your 85th birthday without glasses. So vision training is a viable alternative to glasses. In fact, it's the better alternative because glasses are continued expense, you continue to get worse. Vision training, you do it once and then you just maintain it. That's it, finished. No more expense. You can spend the money on something else than glasses. You can spend it on whatever you want, on holidays, for example. So think about what you could spend all this money for that you're going to spend on glasses, or you would be spending on your glasses. Much better, and it's healthier too.